भारत के कुछ राज्यों में विपक्षी नेताओं से विदेशी राजनयिकों की मुलाकात पर पूछे गए सवाल का जवाब देते हुए विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर ने कहा, मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूंगा कि इसे और भी बड़ा मुद्दा बनाइए। इसलिए जब भी लोग ऐसा कुछ करते हैं तो उन्हें यह भी सोचना चाहिए कि अगर यह उनके अपने घर में होता तो क्या होता। मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है जब लोग हमारी राजनीति के बारे में टिप्पणी करते हैं, लेकिन उन्हें इस बात के लिए भी तैयार रहना चाहिए कि मैं उनके देश के बारे में क्या विचार रखता हूँ।
People, diplomats meeting people. Look, I would only, say this, that, I mean, in fact, I would make it in a way a bigger issue. I mean, when I say bigger issue, I'm not making it a bigger problem. I'm just giving you the larger principles of it. What happens in many countries is that countries often practice abroad what they are sensitive to at home. So whenever people do any such thing, they must also think about what it would happen if this happened in their own home. It's something they should think about. I spoke earlier about, even rankings and, comments about politics of other countries. I have no problem if people comment about our politics. But then I think in fairness they should also be ready to hear my comments about their politics. And believe me, they have very thin skins about that. So how to get a more mutually respectful world, more equal, because everybody says they are equal, they don't actually behave. It's a bit like Animal Farm, some are more equal than others. So how do you actually create that? I think that's also one of the big debates which is today taking place in the world.